going on, everyone? It's Marsellis back with another video. Today, we're just going to be going over a short technical analysis with Baby Doge, showing where Baby Doge is probably going to be going next. So, yeah, definitely stick around to the end of the video. Definitely hit the like button and subscribe if you like these Baby Doge videos. And also, leave a comment in the comment section and let me know what you all want me to go over next. If you become a member of the channel, I'll go over any crypto that you want me to go over first. The next request is Joe, and that is actually an Avalanche coin. Shout out to Gino Bellin for recommending that. So I'll be going over that soon. But yeah, definitely stick around to the end of the video because we got a lot to talk about today. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor, none of this financial advice, but let's talk about it. So right now, Baby Doge is actually slowly but surely going back down to 1250. I talked about this yesterday, and I think is definitely going to do it now. Like I'm almost 100% sure. I can't say 100% because this is none of this financial advice, but we're definitely sure that we could be seeing Baby Doge hitting this 1250 area down here, the support at 1250. And the reason why I say this is because look, this red bar, we've been having trouble staying above it for a while now. Like we literally just keep coming back to this bar, and we're actually seeing the highs are becoming lower and lower. So you can see right here, the highs are starting to get lower and lower here on Baby Doge. So this could actually break this support line. So we've been really trying to get above this and stay above it, but we haven't been able to. Watch my video from yesterday. I actually talk about it extensively there, and we're about around this area yesterday when I made the video, and actually we're now lower than that. So I definitely think we're probably going to break the support very soon with Baby Doge. Now the red areas here with these indicators, they pretty much indicate when we have less demand for our supply and demand. So yeah, it's showing that we have less demand for Baby Doge here. That's definitely pretty bad because we need more demand in order to get up to this next resistance level of 1500, basically 1600. So yeah, in order for us to get up to 1600, we're gonna need some more demand. We're gonna need some more buying coming in for Baby Doge. You can even see on the oscillator, it's all selling right now. So yeah, people are selling, and it looks like we're probably gonna break this and go down to the next area. Now we did have some support around 1300, so you may see Baby Doge stop at 1300 before it actually reaches 1250. But yeah, I'm just expecting 1250, and if we don't hit it, then that's good too. But right now, it just looks like it's gonna be pulling back to 1250. Now, one thing's for sure, like when we hit 1250, we might actually be able to build some momentum here to have another uptrend. Because remember, that actually happened the last time with Baby Doge. So actually, if you look over here at May, or I mean earlier this month, because it is till May, but yeah, earlier this month, we were actually second we hit the support line. So we broke it. It was our resistance, right? So as we broke this resistance, because first it was our resistance and then it became our support. So this is the first time that we broke it, and then we fell below it. But then we broke it again, and then we kind of started to bounce off of it. And the second we fell below that and had that as our support, then we just started to go crazy with Baby Doge. So the reason why I'm talking about this is because something similar could actually happen again. So look at the movements that we're having now. It kind of looks a little bit similar. Just imagine this. Imagine if Baby Doge ends up going back down to about 1250 again, right? Just imagine this. We go down to 1250. So then once we hit 1250, right, then you're going to see maybe Baby Doge going briefly below 1250 down to the 1200 flat area, maybe down to 1150. But then what if we have some movements like we did previously with Baby Doge, and we go like this and then pump right out of it and use this as our resistance? Because right now, this is our support, but then this could actually be our resistance if we break below that support very briefly and then build up momentum to continue to pump there. So that is just one of the scenarios if we could become bearish and then immediately bullish right after. Another scenario is that we just start getting more demand. This area starts becoming green, and we start getting more demand here in the supply and demand, and then we just go bullish all the way up here to about 1600. One thing is for sure though, if we could like do go on an uptrend, we're probably going to end up getting stopped around 1600 before our next uptrend, and that would probably end up being the one that pretty much brings us up to 22. So yeah, we really need to get past 1600. That's really what's holding us back from our 22 support, or well, really 23 support, 2300. But yeah, it's pretty much all I got for the technicals. This is just a little short video that I wanted to make, but I have a few other things I want to talk about with Bitcoin, because Bitcoin is actually defying odds. I actually thought Bitcoin was about to go back down here to the support. So yesterday I was looking at this. I'm like, there's no way that Bitcoin does not hit the support and go below it. But actually, look, we hit the support down here at Bitcoin, and then we immediately went back on an uptrend. So yeah, we hit the 28.3K support, but then we immediately went back up to 28.9K. And actually we almost touched not almost touched 30K, but we got up there. We're like 29.2K. So it was pretty close. But yeah, I didn't expect that to happen. I thought we are actually going to hit the support and probably stay down there for a little while. But hey, look, the highs are getting lower. Just like I mentioned with Baby Doge, the highs are getting lower. This is the key to like another drop. So literally look, highs lower there, lower there, lower there, and lower highs there. And now we're establishing even lower highs here. And if you look at that, yeah, lower highs all the way down. So I think Baby Doge is actually about to suffer, or I mean, Bitcoin's about to suffer another crash. But Baby Doge could be, following that because everything in the crypto market's gonna follow Bitcoin. But like I said, Baby Doge is one of those things that really doesn't, you know, it really doesn't follow what all the other coins are doing. Like as Bitcoin was literally going down, Baby Doge literally pumping. So if we have another crash in Bitcoin, like it looks like we're about to, I think that Baby Doge could actually start pumping again. So this could actually be what brings us our bullish rally here inside of Baby Doge, just having Bitcoin pump. And yeah, that could be what makes us bullish. So, like I said, if that makes us bullish, you're going to see the 2300 Baby Doge come in very soon. And look, we already got rejected once around 2300. So this next time when we go up, we're probably going to get far above 2300. So where would we go next time? So what we're going to have to do here is go to the 4-hour chart and click this auto, make this zoom in just a little bit more. So what we will probably end up going up to for our next uptrend would probably have to be around the 3-0 area, 3-1. So somewhere around there. And that's actually the next area of resistance after we pass this. So look, after we pass the 2300 resistance, the next area of resistance would be at 3150. So you could see Baby Doge at 3150. If we see another crash in Bitcoin, then that could definitely happen because look, last time Bitcoin crashed, we had Baby Doge going crazy. So look, Baby Doge for the last 14 days, and as you can see, we had a nice pump. But then when you go over to Bitcoin for the last 14 days and you look at it, Bitcoin has been down for the last 14 days. It's been up, down, up, down, up, down. But Baby Doge been going up. But yeah, it has been going sideways a little bit. But still, we still have that potential to continue to rise here with Baby Doge. Anyways, moving on to the next thing, I wanted to show this because look, the lower lows, that's what's really going to probably end up bringing us all the way down. So the next time we have another low with Bitcoin, we'll probably see that around like the lower 28,000s. So right now we're at 28.9K, but it could be around the lower 28,000s. Now, look, this is only the 15M chart, which is pretty much a short-term chart. So even if you look at it from the 4-hour chart, you can still see we're establishing lower lows every single time. Let me go ahead and delete this because we were doing technical analysis previously. But look, you're still seeing that the lows are becoming lower, 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 and lower. So the next one will probably be around here, which will be the lower 29Ks will be our next high, our next lower high. And then you'll probably see it again around 28.6K as our next lower high, and so on and so forth. So that's just a rough projection here. But remember, it looks like it's consolidating here. So anything can happen at this point. What if we just like go boom and then just pump like right around the 4th of June? So anything like that could happen. But yeah, that's pretty much all I got for y'all today. I just wanted to go over the technicals, let you know exactly what's coming on with Baby Doge. So definitely hit the like button, subscribe. Really does help the YouTube channel out immensely for the YouTube algorithm. And leave a comment in the comment section and let me know what you all want me to go over next. And also, if you want to become a member of the channel, definitely go ahead and do that. I'll go over any crypto the members want me to go over next. And remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this financial advice. As always, I'll be back with another video. Peace.